Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. So there have been rumors of PIPP, Pine Island. It's a SPAC SPAC, right? So, I mean, there's been rumors about this converting into SpaceX, which I highly doubt, because Tesla said that they would never take SpaceX publicly, right? I don't know where these rumors came from. I don't think it's gonna happen, but I think it could definitely run on hype. It hasn't really been running a whole bunch. It went from 988 to 1087s, which is about like just $1 up, right? But still, it's one of those things where I think that I don't know where these rumors come from, because I'm pretty sure Elon Musk said that he would never take SpaceX public, and if he did, it would be absolutely insane to think that this is actually. It would not surprise me, because Elon Musk is basically a troll also. So if this actually becomes SpaceX, I would not be surprised at all. But I'm pretty sure Elon Musk does not want to take SpaceX publicly. So I'm not really sure where the rumors are coming from for Pine Island. But if anybody knows where the rumors are coming from, post it down in the comments, because I have absolutely no idea, and I haven't gone on Reddit to check anything about PIPP or Pine Island and why people think that this is going to convert into SpaceX, which is weird. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.